I've always been the kind of man who doesn't believe in strings. The long-term obligations are just unnecessary things. Girl, you got me thinking, and I'm drinking one more beer, and I'm headed for a heartache, then why the hell am I still here? I'm testing my resistance, and I'm wearing mighty thin. I got the feeling I should leave before the roof caves in. Mind tells me to move along, but my body begs me to stay. And now I feel the need to hold you close and love the night away, while you're turning me every which way but loose. You turn me every which way but loose. Inside the fire is burning, in my mind you just keep turning me every which way but loose. Baby, there's no excuse to turn me every which way but loose. When the sun comes up in the morning, it should find us someplace new. But right this minute all I want is to lay here next to you. Memories keep calling me from somewhere in my past. Better hurry if you want me, 'cause fear I'm fading fast, while you're turning me every which way but loose. You turn me every which way but loose. Inside the fire is burning, in my mind you just keep turning me every which way but loose. Baby, there's no excuse to turn me every which way but loose. Well, hi there, pluckers. I've Soul Fingers back with you again for hopefully another interesting little ditty for you. This is an oldie from a film by Clint Eastwood, of course, and Every Which Way But Loose, okay, and as performed by a country artist called Eddie Rabbitt, okay. I think it was all the way back to about 1979, if I'm not mistaken, okay. So hopefully you enjoyed that little country-ish ditty, quite nice to play, some nice little bits and pieces in it. Try to keep in a few of the interesting little fancy bits, if you like, or fiddly bits as I like to call them, and hopefully you'll enjoy this song. So join me in a couple of days for the breakdown. Thanks very much. Bye for now.